In a world where distractions are as abundant as the air we breathe, where the noise of external opinions can drown out the voice of our very own potential, we find ourselves at a critical juncture, the moment to crack open the door of self-realization and step into the light of possibility. Enter Earl Nightingale, a man whose words resonated with the weight of wisdom and stirred the hearts of millions, reminding us that we are not mere spectators in our lives, but the architects of our own destinies. Imagine this. What if the life you desire isn't some distant dream reserved for others, but rather an attainable reality waiting patiently for you to claim? Earl Nightingale, a pioneer in personal development, taught us the secrets locked within our minds, urging us to unleash the powerful forces that lie dormant, waiting for action. He believed, fundamentally, that we become what we think about, a simple yet profound truth that puts you in command of every aspect of your existence. This isn't just a cliché. It's a mandate to seize each day with a fervor that propels you beyond the mundanity of routine. Your inner strength, your thoughts, your beliefs, your focus must outshine the cacophony of external influence, the naysayers and the doubters. This is your revolution, your defining moment, and the teachings of Nightingale illuminate the path, offering you the lantern of clarity amidst the shadows of uncertainty. Are you ready to embrace the power of your mind and transform your reality? The journey begins now. As you stand at the threshold of your own potential, it's essential to recognize the power of your thoughts. Every day, our minds are inundated with a barrage of information, opinions, and distractions that can cloud our vision. Yet, within this chaos lies the seed of possibility, a chance to cultivate your dreams and steer your life in the direction you truly desire. Imagine waking up each morning with a clear purpose that ignites a fire within you, driving you to take action and chase after what you want. It's about flipping the switch from a passive existence to one filled with intention and excitement. Earl Nightingale often spoke of the importance of setting clear goals. Think of goals as the compass that guides you through the fog of uncertainty. They provide direction, serving as beacons that illuminate your path. When you articulate your ambitions, whether they revolve around your career, relationships, or personal growth, you position yourself as a creator of your own narrative, a powerful force shaping your reality. Now, visualize your goals vividly. Picture the sensations, emotions, and experiences they will bring you. This isn't mere daydreaming. It's a practice of building your future. Let the desire to achieve those visions fuel your daily actions. The moment you start aligning your daily habits with your aspirations, you'll feel a shift, a surge of energy coursing through you, commanding your journey with confidence and joy. The leap into your extraordinary life awaits. Why not take that step today? As you embark on this journey towards self-discovery, it's vital to cultivate an unwavering belief in your capabilities. Your mindset is your most powerful tool. It can either uplift you or hold you back. Think of it as the lens through which you view your world. When you choose to see opportunities instead of obstacles, your perception shifts dramatically. Every setback becomes a lesson, and every failure is merely a stepping stone toward success. Embrace the notion that every great achievement began as a spark of imagination, nurtured by relentless determination and a firm belief in oneself. Surround yourself with positivity. Seek out inspiration, whether it's through books that ignite your passion, podcasts that resonate with your aspirations, or conversations with those who uplift and encourage you. The company you keep plays an essential role in your development. Negativity breeds doubt, while positivity fuels ambition. As you surround yourself with individuals who believe in their potential and yours, you create an environment rich in possibility and motivation. It's also essential to practice gratitude daily. Acknowledging the progress you've made, no matter how small, keeps you grounded and reminds you of your journey. Celebrate your wins. Each step forward, even the little ones, deserves recognition. This practice not only elevates your mood, but also magnifies your belief in what's achievable. With eyes bright with enthusiasm, open your heart and mind to the extraordinary possibilities that await. Your path to greatness is unfolding, and now is your moment to embrace it fully. As you dive deeper into this transformative journey, it's crucial to embrace the power of resilience. Life, with all its twists and turns, will undoubtedly throw challenges your way. But remember, greatness is often forged in the fires of adversity. Each setback is not a brick wall. It's a doorway waiting to be opened. When you face obstacles, don't shrink back. Unleash your inner warrior. Think of resilient figures throughout history, those who turned their struggles into triumphs, like J.K. Rowling, who faced despair before becoming a literary icon, or Thomas Edison, who viewed failures as mere stepping stones to innovation. They understood that persistence is the bridge between your dreams and your reality. Find joy in the process of overcoming difficulties. Each time you conquer a challenge, you build an unshakable confidence that propels you forward, making future obstacles seem surmountable. Celebrate your grit. Keeping a journal of your challenges and victories can serve as a powerful reminder of how far you've come. When doubt creeps in, look back at your own words of perseverance and let them reignite your fire. Moreover, harness the power of visualization. Picture yourself thriving even in the face of adversity. Visualize not only the success, but also how you handle difficulties with grace and strength. This mental imagery acts as a rehearsal for the future, preparing your mind and spirit to tackle whatever comes your way. Your journey is uniquely yours, filled with potential. Embrace it with open arms. As you journey deeper into your transformation, never underestimate the power of taking consistent action. Action is the heartbeat of progress, the rhythm that drives your dreams into reality. It's not enough to merely wish for change or hope for success. You must be willing to put in the effort and take those crucial steps that will lead you forward. Imagine every small task as a building block, each one creating a sturdy foundation for your aspirations. Whether it's dedicating time to learn a new skill, reaching out to mentors, or simply investing effort into your passions, the choices you make today set the stage for tomorrow. Consider the stories of countless individuals who embarked on their own journeys with just a single step. Think of athletes who train daily, artists who create tirelessly, and entrepreneurs who work late into the night, all fueled by their commitment to turning dreams into tangible results. You too have the power to create momentum. Start small. Maybe it's committing to a daily routine, setting aside time each week to brainstorm new ideas, or taking that first brave step toward a conversation that could ignite new opportunities. What truly matters is that you're moving. With every action, no matter how minor it may seem, you're saying yes to your potential and no to complacency. Keep the momentum alive. Celebrate these actions as victories and watch as they accumulate, propelling you closer to the extraordinary life you envision. As you advance on this path of self-discovery and intentional living, it's crucial to embrace the beauty of patience. In our fast-paced world, we often yearn for instant results and quick fixes. Yet, the most meaningful transformations typically unfold gradually, like the delicate blossoming of a flower. Recognize that true change is a process, a journey that rewards perseverance and commitment. Remember, even the mightiest oak tree grows from a tiny acorn, nurtured over time by the elements. Cultivating patience doesn't mean sitting back and waiting idly. It's about remaining steadfast in your vision while taking deliberate steps forward. Create a timeline for your goals and allow yourself the grace to grow. Celebrate the small wins along the way, for they are the markers of progress that keep your spirit invigorated. When obstacles arise, and they will, view them not as setbacks, but as valuable lessons that sharpen your resilience and deepen your understanding. Channel your energy into consistent effort, knowing that every step you take, no matter how small, is a seed planted for future abundance. When frustration creeps in, close your eyes and recall your why. Why did you start this journey? What sparks your passion? Let that fuel guide you through moments of uncertainty. With patience, consistency, and your unwavering belief in your dreams, you will cultivate a life that blossoms beautifully, revealing the extraordinary potential lying just beneath the surface. As your journey unfolds, it's essential to embrace the transformative power of self-reflection. In our busy lives, it's easy to lose sight of who we are and what we truly want. Carving out moments for introspection allows you to check in with your thoughts, motivations, and feelings, helping you align your actions with your true self. Picture this. You're sitting in a cozy nook, perhaps with a warm cup of tea, contemplating your journey so far. What challenges have shaped you? What achievements have lit your path? This practice isn't just about looking back. It's also about envisioning your future. Creating a regular habit of self-reflection can unlock insights that fuel your growth. Consider keeping a journal where you record your thoughts, questions, and aspirations. Each entry is a stepping stone, guiding you toward deeper understanding. What are your core values? What ignites your passion? When you clarify these elements, you create a powerful foundation for decision-making. As you reflect, ask yourself empowering questions that propel you forward. What did you learn from recent experiences? How can those lessons influence your next steps? This curiosity fosters a proactive stance in your life, transforming obstacles into valuable growth opportunities. Remember, it's through understanding yourself that you will unlock the potential for extraordinary change. Make self-reflection a cherished part of your routine, and watch as it illuminates the path to your best self, weaving clarity and purpose into the fabric of your life. In the tapestry of life, connection plays a pivotal role in fostering growth. Embracing the power of relationships can be the catalyst that propels you closer to your dreams. With every meaningful conversation, with every shared laugh, you weave together a network of support and inspiration that can amplify your journey. Think of your relationships as a garden. The more you nurture them, the more vibrant and fruitful they become. Seek out those who uplift you, who challenge you to dream bigger and go further. These connections act as mirrors, reflecting the best parts of yourself and encouraging you to reach for new heights. Engaging in genuine, heartfelt dialogues opens doors you may not even have realized existed. Allow these interactions to inspire fresh ideas and spark your motivation. When faced with uncertainty, turn to your circle. Their perspectives can provide insights that lead to breakthroughs, transforming doubt into determination. As you share your aspirations and struggles, you will find that vulnerability creates powerful bonds, making each connection stronger. Moreover, remember to give back. Share your knowledge, mentor those who are just starting their journeys, and spread encouragement like confetti. You'll be amazed at how uplifting it feels to lift others, creating a chain reaction of positivity. Together, as a community, you can forge a path toward extraordinary. The road might be winding, but with the support of a connected network, you'll navigate the twists and turns with confidence and excitement, ready for the grand adventure that lies ahead. As you stand on the brink of your extraordinary journey, remember that every ending is simply a new beginning. Embrace the vibrant possibilities that lie ahead, for you are now equipped with the insights and tools to shape your destiny. Each empowering thought, every act of resilience, and all the connections you've forged are the stepping stones toward your remarkable evolution. This chapter of your life invites you to ignite your passions and pursue the dreams that have stirred within you. As you venture forth, maintain the momentum by weaving together the threads of action, reflection, and community. The life you desire isn't just a figment of your imagination. It's real, waiting for you to grasp it with clear intent and unwavering belief. Now is the time to take the leap. Dive headfirst into the possibilities and let your light shine. Don't forget to engage with this journey. Share your experiences and insights with others. The ripple effect of your transformation can inspire countless others to embark on their paths of self-discovery. If this message resonated with you, don't keep it to yourself. Enjoy the journey, subscribe to our channel, and be part of a vibrant community that thrives on growth and encouragement. Share this video with friends and family so they too can be inspired and empowered. Together, let's illuminate the world with the brilliance of our collective potential. Your extraordinary life awaits. Step into it with open arms.